Sir, my question is I'm planning to start an online business and I want to ask what will be the best approach in the regulatory and marketing side of the business?
That's a great question. So, first thing first, if you have to start an online business in today's time, you make sure that it is registered as a company, at least as a proprietor or as at least an LLP. If you have two or three partners, you can go for an LLP. If you're very serious about running the business in future, then go for a private limited company. So basically, the company incorporation is most important once you have to get into a business. Okay, so that is applicable for any business, whether it is an offline business or online business. The regulatory is same. Now, the second thing is the brand name, the logo, the trademark has to be registered. If you have a intellectual property of your own, it can be patent, it can be copyright products. You need to have that also. Otherwise, your informations can be stolen and somebody else will claim that you should not be running this business, right? So make sure that the intellectual property is intact. So two things are done: the company registration, the intellectual property. Now, the third thing is the most important part. That's the bank account. Make sure that you have a bank account which is a bank near to your home, because if you have to access the bank frequently, you need to have a bank which is very, very near to your home in the proximity of, let's say, even less than 500 meters, so that you can access that bank quickly. So the bank account, the company registration, intellectual property are three important things. Then you have to make sure that the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and various type of things that are related to the terms and the legal aspects, that has to be done well. If you are not making those documents ready, your customers will come and show you actually, and you will not even be able to run the business successfully. There will be a lot of negative comments. So make sure that your customers already know what product you are selling, on what terms and conditions the returns are going to be, and if you're not offering returns, why are you not offering returns, on what conditions you're giving basically those products. That all terms and conditions should be clear. You can always check out the competitors in your niche and see what best companies are doing, and have a document similar to them. That's the best way to actually create the document. But have a lawyer who can guide you on this. Especially company secretary, that will be the best if you are doing it from India. So the regulatory is clear. It's quite simple. Then you need to have a website which has to have a marketing front. The product information should be very, very clearly mentioned, that what type of product you are selling online. Like in my case, I have a fitness e-commerce business. I teach people about how to look healthy, how to be wealthy and rich by having a good diet, and also do certain type of exercises which can keep them fit. So I run fitsummit.com. I also have a source of very good quality products, especially sourced from Himalayan countries like Nepal and from Uttarakhand, which are places in India. And these places have got very good quality of Ayurvedic and herbal products. I source them. I make an e-commerce portal, and the reason why these products are getting sold is references, majorly references. Because if I am selling this product in even in social media, the person who purchased the product, they get the best quality result at the lowest possible investment that they do in healthcare, and that makes a lot of people to actually get into my product. So I totally have got more than 50,000 plus subscribers right now, and these people continue to buy different type of products from me. And the reason of success in marketing can be always your product. Your customers should be happy. If your customers are happy, they'll definitely get more customers for you. Okay, so the regulatory is clear, the marketing is clear. Now how do you market it? So you just need to have a good website, you need to have social media platforms, you need to talk about your product. You can become the influencer of your own product and start sharing the products on online every single place. And if you have some friends and family members who are also in social media, ask them to share. The last thing you can do is you can even connect with other influencers and say them to share. The last thing you can do is the paid advertisement. I don't at all prefer paid advertisement. I completely hate it, because I don't think so that paid advertisements have got any relevance. If a product is good, that will get sold online automatically. You don't have to put efforts for that, right? So what you should be doing now, simple: build an e-commerce portal, make sure that all the regulatory works are done. For marketing, make sure that the product is awesome, and the marketing will happen automatically. As simple as that. Yes, you may still require access of some marketing creative tools like canva.com, and for website development, you can go for WordPress. For the video development, you can go for, there are a lot of video development tools. Filmora is good one. Like other thing you can go is Premiere Pro. You can even hire a good video editor who can do the video editing of your products. But the last thing is all these things. The first thing is website, presentation of the product, right price, best quality product, and the marketing system happens automatically. Make sure that your customers give reviews in all the channels wherever they're into. Like you have to send them a sheet hey, give review in all the social media channels, and give review in all the YouTube or wherever it is, and also in the e-commerce marketplaces. If they have purchased a product from Amazon, make sure that they do it. And if they do it, they'll get 50% off in the next time on certain type of products which already you have 50% off. Okay, so by saying that, what happens, the customers are definitely going to give the reviews. And when you get these organic reviews, your products automatically get in the top of the search engines, whether it is Google or it is an e-commerce search engine like a marketplace, Amazon. So once you get in the top of the hierarchy, automatically your sales will increase. And trust me, the best way of marketing is to make sure that you mitigate the 1 star and 2 star reviews. Make sure that you work on those reviews, you improve your product quality, you speak to those people who have given you 1 or 2 star reviews and ask them that, hey, I have already improved my product. I'm going to send you again. Please give me a good review again. So that way, what happens? The same person who gave you the 1 star review is definitely going to give you the 5 star review. I am sure about it. But you need to work on the commercials. You need to find out products which are low cost for you, but you can actually send them out. So the game of marketing is very simple. You need to stand out of the crowd. You need to continuously reach out to every single person regularly. You need to make sure that you are always in the mind of people. Okay. And to be in the mind of people, you need to continuously evolve with ideas, different content development ideas. Share those content development. It can be ebook, white paper, case study, infographic, or whatever it is. But make sure that everything is related to your niche. Okay. Once you're able to do it successfully, I can guarantee you your business is going to be like a boom, and nobody can stop you. Even you don't need investment for that. Only with the regulatory and the marketing, your business can become successful. If you need more ideas on how to build a successful business, you can reach out to Fit Summit. I'm running a business of fitness industry, and it's quite successful. A lot of people are joining my business together, and we are doing it all the way. And I would say 160 countries our products are getting sold. We are doing millions of dollars worth of business right now. So you can become part of our business. We can do something great together. Thank you.